Hello and welcome. My name is Robin and this is the channel. So today I'm so excited because I have a pink box delivery. I know it's not in a box, it's in a bag, but Mary, the curator, has been under the weather. So I'm gonna forgive her for the different wrapping. So do you wanna know what's in this? I have no idea. Normally, she sent a note last month with what's coming up and I totally forgot and I haven't peeked and I haven't watched anybody's video. So if you're new to my channel, welcome. And if you're returning, thank you so much. I so appreciate your loyalty. And I don't know where you live, but it's like 110 degrees. You can shower all day, you get out of the shower and you're still a hot mess. So I have so many videos to film today, so I'm gonna try and get through it all. So Pinkboxdelivery with the shipping comes out to about $45 a month. And she curates the best bags. It's kind of like a lifestyle woman's bag. You never know what you're gonna get in it. It could be kitchen items. It could be beach items. And I know this time of year, most of the boxes that we're getting have beach items in there. So we get a lot of towels, we get a lot of umbrellas, just a lot of beach wear. So I am going to try and cut into this bag since I already destroyed the label. And the first thing I am taking out, which must have everything in it. This is so cute. It says the goods. And it's like, almost like a rainproof type of bag. I wish you can feel it. I'll put it closer. I don't know if you can, but it looks like a waterproof type bag. And it's so cute. So you can take this to the grocery store, you could take it to the beach, and it looks like water would just drip right off of it. So inside must be everything. And it's jam-packed with goodies. So that's probably why she put it in a bag and not a box. And I am looking for the sheet because she always puts a sheet in there. And this month's no different. And so we will read the sheet at the end of the video. And the first thing, oh, how fun. There's a bunch of clippies for your, and they're magnets. So you put them on your refrigerator and then you can clip potato chips and all sorts of fun goodies in there. Oops, I apologize for that. So these are clippies, as I said, they can hook to your refrigerator and they will clip bags. So these are very holiday-ish. And the next thing, oh, it's a pineapple ice cube tray. And I have, probably this is like my third tray I have. I have, I don't know what the other ones are, but they're cute little ice cube trays that you can put for your drinks. And, oops. This is all wrapped up in pink tissue paper, and I don't want to drop it because it did say fragile on the outside. Oh, there's a bunch of stuff in there. Oh, and I know somebody, a friend of mine, that would love these. They're pineapple earrings. Now they are gold, and I'm trying to, I'm gonna open these because they're not just pineapple earrings. It looks like there's a backdrop. So bear with me. Everything's wrapped so nicely. Oop, I'm just putting stuff everywhere. So I know I won't wear them because they're a little too heavy. But if you can see, there's the white backdrop to the pineapple. Those are so cute. I so wish I can wear those. And then there was something else in the bag. Let me get it out. We have some bubble, looks like a bubble mask. So out come the glasses. Please forgive me. So this is a bubble cleansing foam. So it's a face wash. And then we have a strawberry face mask. So that's what was in that cute little thing. And then, made in China, 7.5 wood ceramic appetizer board. One of these days, it has to come with the appetizers. Oh, is this cute? Seasoned with love. So this is the board, and this is a little appetizer. I do not eat sushi. I know my kids are big sushi eaters. I don't know where they got that from. But this would be great for like a sushi type of thing, because I don't know what kind of dip you put in there because it's so small, but this is really, really cute. So we got that. And then we have Humble Botanics Sunshine Bath Bomb. Let's see if I can smell it. Oh. So we got this cute little bath bomb. It definitely smells like fruity. We got that. And, oh, take my scissors out of there. We're not going to count that. And then Simply Essential cheese knives to go with that great cutting board. And that's great. We've been getting into all sorts of fun cheeses, especially when the kids come in town. And then this is what the bag looks like. So you can probably even put like cold items in here to take it out. So just to recap, we got the cheese board, we got the bath bomb, we got the chip holders, I should say. And this I'm loving, this little appetizer board. We got the mask and the face wash and these adorable pineapple earrings and the cute little pineapple ice tray. And let's just read a little bit about this month's box. This is called Summer Soiree, and we have the, because of the summer heat, and I'm trying to read how much everything is. The face mask and luscious bath bomb and the face wash was $28. Add a few twists, a little, the little drink ice cube tray was $9. And the cooler bag, that's what it is. So it is a cooler bag. That was $28. And the cheese board was $22. Okay, the slicers for the cheese was $22, and the cute little tray with the little dip cup was $34. And the earrings were $18, and the bonus gift, the chip clips, were $8. So this was really a fun box. So that was, that bag was a cooler bag. So you can put your dips and stuff in there and your cheeses. So what did you think of this month's bag? I thought it was pretty good. And leave me comments what your favorite item in this bag was. This was a tough one. I really like the earrings even though I can't wear them, but I really also like that cooler bag. So thank you so much for watching and taking the time out of your day. And as always, you guys have an awesome day. Bye-bye.